Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now, myopia, nearsightedness, it occurs because of excessive curvature of the eye lens or elongation of the eyeball from front to back. All right. Now, how will you correct it? We have to correct it using a lens which will diverge the light rays to a certain extent, such that they will be diverged, and then the lens in the eye is again going to converge, right? And that combination will form an exact image on the retina, correct? So what do we use? We use a diverging lens. What is the diverging lens? Concave lens. Okay. So the person suffering with myopia or nearsightedness will use spectacles made up of concave lenses. Okay. And since concave lens has negative focal length or negative power, the powers of those spectacles are negative. Okay, when you ask a person who has myopia, he will say, "अरे मला माझा number है ना -1.5 है." -1.5 काय है? -1.5 diopter. Minus says that it is a concave lens. And diopter, when you take the reciprocal, you get 1/1.5. म्हणजे 1/3/2 म्हणजे 2/3. Focal length will be 2/3 meter. Negative, of course negative. Okay. So मायोपिक लोकांचं जे स्पेक्टॅकल्स आहेत ते कॉन्केव्ह लेन्सेसचे असतात, त्यांचा नंबर नेगेटिव्ह असतो आणि फोकल लेंथ पण नेगेटिव्ह असते. इज दॅट करेक्ट? गॉट इट एव्हरीवन?
Yes, sure.
Yes, sir.
आपल्याला कळलंय काय चाललंय?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please give the heading. Please give the heading. Defects of human eye. Defects of human eye. Okay, then write A, myopia. A, myopia. Then write down. Myopia is also known as nearsightedness. Myopia is also known as nearsightedness, as the person having myopia can see nearby objects clearly, can see nearby objects clearly, but cannot see distant objects distinctly and clearly. But cannot see distant objects distinctly and clearly. Second point, in myopia, the far point is not infinity. Last time we saw the far point is infinity and the near point is 25 centimeters. Okay, आठवतंय मला? In myopia, the far point is not infinity. So that person will not be able to focus at infinity. लक्षात घ्या. ज्यांना ज्यांना आहे चष्मा ते इन्फिनिटीला विदाउट चष्मा बर का इन्फिनिटीला फोकस करू शकणार नाही. ओके, मायोपिक आयला. ओके, in myopia the far point is not infinity but near near to infinity. Okay, near to infinity. In myopic eye, the image of a distant object, in myopic eye, the image of a distant object is formed in front of the retina. Is formed in front of the retina. and not exactly on the retina. And not exactly on the retina. Myopia may arise due to the following. Myopia may arise due to the following. First, excessive curvature of the eyelids. Excessive curvature of the eyelids. Or in other words, the lens becomes too bulged. Or in other words, the lens becomes too bulged. Too म्हणजे T double O. जास्त फुगीर होणार ती. Okay? The lens becomes too bulged. Second reason, elongation of the eyeball from front to back. Elongation of the eyeball from front to back. Okay, now write down next sentence. In myopic eye, the power of the eye lens increases. In myopic eye, the power of the eye lens increases. That is the ability of the convex lens म्हणजे eye lens, that is the ability of the convex lens to converge the light rays increases. That is the ability of the convex lens to converge the light rays increases. And hence we need a diverging lens. And hence we need a diverging lens such as a concave lens, such as a concave lens of suitable power to bring the image back on the retina. To bring the image back onto the retina. Okay. And hence the person suffering with myopia uses spectacles or eye lenses, made up of concave lenses. Okay. So this is how the correct defect can be corrected. Okay. All right. So make sure this is the far point of a myopic eye. This is not a normal eye, as I said before, not a normal eye per se, but far point is not infinity. No, far point is somewhere, it is far, obviously, but it's not infinity as in the normal eye. And the light rays coming from distant objects, okay, they are parallel, remember, they get converged well before the retina. So we need something to diverge them. That something is nothing but the concave lens of suitable power, which will initially diverge the light rays, and ultimately the eye lens, which is convex, it is going to converge them as it is. Okay, that is not going to change, and hence the image will be formed exactly on the retina. So when you go to the eye specialist, eye doctor, he asks you to read certain words or certain letters in the mirror. Okay, and depending on which line you stop, he will ask you to close one eye. He closes one eye by inserting a blank, opaque object on that, testing spectacles, and he asks you, he puts lenses one by one on each of the eye, in front of the eye, and he asks you, आता clear आहे का, आता clear आहे का, आता व्यवस्थित दिसते का, आता sharp दिसते का, okay? And that is how he comes to know of which power exactly the lenses should be made. Okay, so yes, please draw these 3 diagrams, and that's it. Then we will cover hypermetropia. Is that clear, everyone? Sagyana kalle? Is also called as farsightedness. Okay, hypermetropia or hyperopia or farsightedness. So farsightedness means the person suffering with hypermetropia can see distant objects clearly, but that person cannot see near objects clearly. Okay, so the image of the nearby objects is not sharp and clear on the retina, but the image of the far away objects is clear. Okay, that is the thing. Now here what happens, in myopia the far point of the normal eye gets shifted closer. It was infinity, in myopia it is not infinity. Similarly in hypermetropia, okay, we are not concerned about far point remains the same. The near point, that is the distinct vision, the minimum distance of distinct vision is called the near point, which is 25 centimeter. We saw that last time, which is for the normal eye. In these patients, it is beyond 25. Beyond 25 म्हणजे काय, तर जास्त आहे, जास्त 25 पेक्षा जास्त, 30, 35, 50, something like that. Okay, so it shifts further away. मायोपिया मध्ये इन्फिनिटी वरनं जवळ येतं, टुवर्ड्स द आय येतं. ओके, नियर पॉइंट तोच राहतो, 25 राहतो. इन हायपरमेट्रोपिया द फार पॉइंट रिमेन्स द सेम, इन्फिनिटी, बट द नियर पॉइंट शिफ्ट्स अवे फ्रॉम द आय. ओके, लांब जातो, 30, 50, 80, 70 years. Okay, so from the eye for comfortable reading. This is because the light rays from a close by object are focused at a point behind the retina. So what happens in hypermetropic eye, the image is formed behind the retina. Myopia made in front of the retina, here the in the behind the retina. Whatever may be the case, the image will be not clear. Okay, so it needs correction. Now what happens here is, the reason is that the focal length of the lens is too long. म्हणजे काय, or the lens becomes flat. Lens becomes flat. Okay, ते flat होणार म्हणजे काय, the radius of curvature increases and the focal length increases. That means the power becomes less. The power decreases. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे, power is 1 upon focal length. So flat म्हणजे काय, focal length increase होणार, radius of curvature increase होणार, power decrease होणार. That means the ability of the eye lens, which is a convex lens, is lost. The ability to converge the light rays is not sufficient. Okay, the ability is less. Now we have to increase the ability in the sense that the light rays are converge well before or exactly on the retina. So we have to use a converging lens. कुठली converging lens है? Convex lens. Okay. By the way, what will be the second reason? Second reason myopia मध्ये काय होतं? Elongation of the eyeball from front to back. What will be the second reason? काय होईल सांगा? काय होईल? Sorry.
Elongation from up to down.
Elongation from up to down किंवा squeezing म्हणूया आपण, बरोबर आहे. The eyeball has become too short from front to back. काय लिहायचं? The eyeball has become too short from front to back. Now this is corrected by convex lens, which is a converging lens. त्यामुळे तो आधी converge होणार light rays आणि मग परत अजून converge होणार, because by default our eye has a convex lens, and then because of this combination Okay, the combination of the power of the convex lens, external convex lens, and the eye lens, the image is formed exactly on the retina, and the person will be able to see the objects clearly. Okay, is that clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but Malya, B, hypermetropia or hyperopia or farsightedness. झालं?
Yes, sir.
Then write down, a person having hypermetropia, can see distant objects clearly, but cannot see nearby objects distinctly and clearly, but cannot see nearby objects distinctly and clearly. Distinctly म्हणजे असे पुसट पुसट दिसतात, अंधुक अंधुक. ओके, नॉट इन शार्प फोकस. दिसत नाही असं होत नाही बरं का, कळतं पण शार्प नसतं ते. बर, ओके, पुढे लिहा. In hypermetropia, the near point, which is 25 centimeter, is pushed further beyond. In hypermetropia, the near point, bracket मध्ये लिहा, which is 25 centimeter for a normal eye, which is 25 centimeter for a normal eye, is pushed further away. असं beyond पेक्षा is pushed further away from the eye. Is pushed further away from the eye. Okay. This defect may arise due to first the convex eye lens, the eye lens becomes too flat. The eye lens becomes too flat. That is, the radius of curvature and hence the focal length of the eye lens increases. That is, the radius of curvature and hence the focal length of the eye lens increases. Okay. Second, the eyeball becomes too short. The eyeball becomes too short from front to back. From front to back. पुढे लिहा. In hypermetropia, the image of the nearby objects, is formed behind the retina. Okay. Due to the loss in ability of the eye lens to converge the light rays on the retina. Due to the लॉस म्हणू नका ड्यू टू द but ठीक है लिया due to the loss of the ability of the eyelids to converge the light rays exactly on the retina. Hence, in order to correct this defect, we must use a converging lens such as a convex lens to provide additional focusing power required for the formation of image on the retina. Okay. All right, that's it. Draw all the 3 diagrams and that's it. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
C. Presbyopia is also called as old age hypermetropia. Why? बघा, what is hypermetropia? तर फार साइटेडनेस म्हणजे लांबचं दिसतं जवळचं दिसत नाही. Okay, so why is it called old age hypermetropia? The reason is that the power of accommodation, that is the ability of the eye lens to focus on different objects from the eye and form a sharp image on the retina, decreases. I'm not saying they are not able to focus, but it decreases, okay, to certain extent. Due to aging, mostly due to aging, not due to any other element, but due to aging. For most people, the near point gradually recedes away. That means it goes away 25, 30, 50, 80, 100, maybe up to 150, 170, 180 centimeter also. Okay. They find it difficult to see nearby objects comfortably, especially reading, and distinctly without corrective eyeglasses. This defect is called presbyopia or old age hypermetropia because it is age related problem. It arises due to the gradual weakening of the ciliary muscles and diminishing flexibility of the eye lens. Sometimes, but not always, a person may suffer from both myopia and hypermetropia at the same time. Okay. त्याला कधी कधी रीडिंग ग्लासेस म्हणतात. तुम्हाला ऐकून आहे का तुम्ही? फक्त रीड करताना घालतात बघा असे. हा, सच पीपल ऑफन रिक्वायर बायफोकल. सांगतो मी बायफोकल म्हणजे काय. बाय म्हणजे दोन. कॉमन टाइप ऑफ बायफोकल लेन्सेस कन्सिस्ट ऑफ बोथ कॉन्केव्ह अँड कॉन्व्हेक्स लेन्सेस. कसे असतात बघा. हा जर चष्मा असेल, मी इकडे लेफ्ट साइडला काढतो. हा जर असा चष्मा असेल, ओके, जरा शायनिंग वाला काढलाय, तर बॉटम साइड जी असते असं असतं बघा. तुम्ही केलं का कधी ऑब्झर्व? तर हे जे पोर्शन आहे ना, दॅट इज फॉर रीडिंग अँड दॅट इज कॉन्व्हेक्स लेन्स. ओके, टू करेक्ट द हायपरमेट्रोपिया. आणि हा जो टॉप पोर्शन आहे दॅट इज कॉन्केव्ह लेन्स टू करेक्ट मायोपिया, लांबचं पण. आणि हा कशाला? हायपरोपिया. हायपरमेट्रोपिया सेम थिंग. ओके, these are called bifocal lenses. Bifocal. बाय म्हणजे दोन, फोकल, दोन टाइपचे फोकल लेंथ, एक पॉझिटिव्ह निगेटिव्ह, म्हणून बायफोकल म्हणतात. ओके, द अपर पोर्शन इज कॉन्केव्ह, इट फॅसिलिटेट्स डिस्टिंक्ट विजन. द लोअर पोर्शन इज कॉन्व्हेक्स, इट फॅसिलिटेट्स नियर विजन. These days, it is possible to correct the refractive defects with contact lenses or through surgical intervention. जर जास्त नंबर असेल ना, तर आता लेझर किंवा स्माइल नावाची एक सर्जरी आली आहे. ते सर्जरीने त्या डिफेक्ट करेक्ट होऊ शकतात. ओके, येस, व्हॉट इज पॉवर ऑफ अकोमोडेशन?
लेन्सची जे पॉवर असते बघायची ती.
अरे असं बघायची म्हणजे काय, असं थोडीच असतं, नीट सांगा ना. सायंटिफिकली काय आहे ते, व्हॉट इज द डेफिनेशन? येस, बर सांगतो, लिहून घ्या प्लीज, राईट डाऊन, हे इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. पॉवर ऑफ अकोमोडेशन ऑफ एन आय, power of accommodation of an eye is defined as the ability of the eye lens to focus near and far objects, clearly on the retina by adjusting its focal length. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. A person with a myopic eye cannot see objects beyond 1.2 meter. Myopic eye म्हणजे near sightedness. So he can see nearby objects, but he cannot see distant objects. 1.2 meter distinctly. असं म्हणलंय ते. What should be the type of corrective lens used to restore proper vision? Concave lens. अगदी बरोबर आहे. Yes. Okay. What is the far point and near point of human eye with normal vision?
25 centimeter.
Far point.
Infinity.
Infinity.
Near point 25 centimeter.
Oh.
Okay. A student has difficulty reading the blackboard while sitting in the last row. What should be the defect the child is suffering from? How can it be corrected?
Myopia. It can be corrected by using concave lens.
Very good. The student is suffering from myopia or nearsightedness and can be corrected using concave lenses of suitable power.
Wow.
Suitable power हे महत्वाचं. Okay? Clear everyone?
Yes, sir.